Okay, picture this. Imagine yourself in a world where you're able to fly, or a world where you ended up becoming an Avenger. Have you ever really wondered what could possibly lie beyond our universe? Could there be more universes out there? Beyond the cosmic horizon, we can find billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars. But for all we know, we might be part of a much grander, more complex reality, the multiverse. For centuries, we thought our planet was the center of everything. Then we discovered the sun, the stars, and our galaxy. Now, we contemplate the possibility of countless other universes. The thought of other universes existing alongside ours is so exciting. Just imagine worlds with different laws of physics, where time flows differently, or even universes where we made different choices. So, the multiverse theory suggests that many universes exist, perhaps an infinite number, making up a much larger structure. Each universe might have its own unique properties, laws of physics, and even its own history. One of the super interesting things about the multiverse theory is that it offers a possible explanation for some of the weirdest things in our universe. For example, the incredibly precise values of physical constants in our universe, which seem fine-tuned for life. These numbers could be explained if there are many universes, each with different values. Some models suggest that new universes are constantly being born, perhaps from quantum fluctuations or from the collapse of black holes. While the multiverse remains a theory, there's loads of clues that suggest it might be real. One piece of evidence comes from cosmology, the study of the origin and evolution of the universe. The Big Bang theory is our best explanation for the beginning of our universe. It suggests that our universe expanded incredibly rapidly from a very hot, dense state. Observations of the cosmic microwave background, CMB, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, provide further support for this theory. The CMB reveals subtle temperature variations across the sky, which are thought to be the seeds that gave rise to the structures we see in the universe today. However, some features of the CMB, such as its uniformity and the presence of specific patterns, could also be explained by the existence of other universes. Quantum mechanics suggests that at the smallest scales, reality is probabilistic, meaning that particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously. Investigating the multiverse is, well, honestly a pretty difficult thing, as we cannot directly observe other universes. However, scientists are developing some pretty ingenious methods to search for indirect evidence of their existence. One interesting approach involves searching for anomalies in the cosmic microwave background. If another universe collided with ours in the distant past, it might have left an imprint on the CMB, kind of like a bruise on the fabric of space-time. This imprint could show up as a circular pattern of temperature variations, different from the patterns produced by our own universe. By analyzing the CMB in detail, scientists hope to find evidence of these cosmic collisions. Another cool approach involves using particle accelerators, like the Large Hadron Collider, to basically recreate the conditions of the early universe. Some universes might be very similar to our own, with slight variations in physical constants or the initial conditions of the Big Bang. Others might be radically different, with different laws of physics, different dimensions, or even different types of particles and forces. Imagine a universe where gravity is much weaker, allowing for stars and planets to grow to enormous sizes, or a universe where time flows backward, or where the laws of physics are constantly changing. In some universes, life might be impossible, while in others, it could be even more diverse and complex than on Earth. Some theories suggest that our universe might be just one of many bubble universes constantly being created and expanding within a larger multiverse. These bubbles could be connected by wormholes, theoretical tunnels through space-time that could allow for travel between universes. The search for the multiverse is one of the most ambitious scientific endeavors of our time. It has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place in it. If we do find evidence of other universes, it would have profound implications for our understanding of physics, cosmology, and even philosophy. It would also raise profound questions about the nature of reality and the possibility of other forms of life. Are there other versions of ourselves out there, living different lives in different universes? Could we ever interact with these other universes, or are they forever beyond our reach? The search for the multiverse is a journey into the unknown, a quest for knowledge that has the potential to change our view of the universe and ourselves. The journey has just begun, and the future of multiverse exploration is filled with infinite possibilities. One more thing. If you made it this far, I'd appreciate you subscribing to the channel if you enjoyed this video. It really helps the channel grow, and with more interest, comes more interesting topics to explore. Thanks again, and I'll see you around.